And at the end of the day, you think he just staring. In reality, guys, he wants to kidnap you and trap you in his closet. What's up, YouTube? Hello, guys, and I am back with another video. It's your girl Amaria. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color, guys. How are you doing today? Okay. Listen, it is February 27th, guys. It is 1:30 a.m. and I am here with the video for you because this is needed. I really feel like when we are growing up as females, people don't tell us certain things. It's a lot that we have to learn on our own. And like I always say, guys, we're all here learning. As I'm learning, I'm going to help you and I'm going to tell you what I learned, and hopefully it can help somebody. If it doesn't, it's okay. Put something in the comments that you feel like could help somebody. Why not? At the end of the day, guys, why wouldn't you want to make somebody else's struggle easier? Oh, because it's not your problem? I mean, yeah, but what else are you doing? Just putting it strict. So, is that the word? Anyways, at the end of the day, guys, let's get with this video. So, for starters, one, do not take a guy liking you or something lightly, because of the fact that a lot of these men do not get the type of attention that we may notice or may feel is just being friendly. Or we may, yeah, no, understand that, yeah, I'm being flirty right now, we flirting or whatever. But a light flirt to you is a, oh my gosh, she loves me, she wants to marry me, to him. Okay? And at the end of the day, you think he just staring. In reality, guys, he wants to kidnap you and trap you in his closet. So let's be real. At the end of the day, I don't want to be in nobody's closet. I don't know about you. So let's be safe, okay? Because they're crazy. And we don't got time for that. Alright? So then ooh, y'all like my swoop to do? Where did I get that from? I forgot what, I don't know, probably something on Facebook. But number two. So a lot of females have gotten onto the OnlyFans and camming world, online worlds, not just because of COVID, but yeah, because of COVID, because a lot of people don't not going nowhere. So at the end of the day, a lot of females are doing the online thing. Here's the thing: the fact that before men had problems, they couldn't just follow you home, or yeah, you had the crazies that did it, but at the same time, a lot of guys weren't that bold to just follow you home. But now we are in the day and age where technology is here. Like I always say in all of my videos, guys, technology is not taking over, but it's the next evolution to Earth. All right. And this, at the end of the day, we need to make sure we are protecting ourselves. So if you're doing camming, you're going live, get a VPN. Because a lot of these men will track where you are. They will. They will. You say, oh, I'm gonna do a little FaceTime call. Don't give out your number. Get a text now, okay? Because they find out your number or they get your email address, they can hack into your email. They get into your email. They can get your Cash App. They can get everything, y'all. At the end of the day, who wants to go through that? That's too much. So please just be safe and be careful, because at the end of the day, nobody is going to be able to protect you like you. And if you're aware of what you need to pay attention to, you're gonna be okay. Seriously. That's what it is. To your best extent. At the end of the day, I do want to mention the fact that yes, it is good to have somebody, a male, or somebody who is, or if you have some type of training, or to have a firearm, get a dog, some type of protection other than yourself, because hey, we're females. We're not all made to be able to fight men. Like, so at the end of the day, protect yourself, because you don't want to die because somebody wanted their nut off and they didn't want to take you for a cup of coffee. or they didn't want to date you, or they didn't want to have to spend the time to get to know you, talk to you, court you, or date, do whatever, just to be able to get the cookie. At the end of the day, they wanted to kidnap you. They wanted to be crazy. They wanted to be thirsty. And at the end of the day, who wants to do with that? Not me. I hope you don't either, guys. So please just be careful. Um, so third thing, when you are in a relationship, as a female, there's certain things that the people don't tell you. Yes, it is very good to know how to cook. If you do not know how to cook, please, ladies, figure something out. For real. Because if that man ain't eating, he probably not gonna be happy. Okay? Honestly, a lot of females, people like food. I like food, so cooking wasn't a problem for me. I like good food myself. If I'm gonna cook for myself, if I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna cook for myself, and I'm gonna make something good. So the fact that I'm in a relationship just adds on to the fact that, all right, cool, I can cook for him too, and that really helps. And honestly, that can benefit your relationship because at the end of the day, cooking for your significant other gives them that comfort, knowing kind of like that mother's love. It gives them that comfort, them knowing that, hey, she's nurturing me. She cares about food going into my body. She cares about my health. She cares about my well being. Ladies, get into it. For real. It's fast food ain't gonna cut it. It's really not. Not in the long run. Especially if you want to have money, maintain money. Yeah, you can get it and spend it and make it right back, but home cooked is way more enticing than saying, "Hey, babe, what we gonna order?" Okay, so yeah. Um, so guys, the fourth thing we're gonna talk about is whenever you are in public, please be aware of the fact that people are watching you. It does not matter what you're doing. It does not matter if you went from your house, which is right here, to the gas station, which is a block over right there, or across the street. Somebody is watching you. Somebody's watching you. Somebody's watching you. And you need to make sure, even if you don't know where they're at or where they're watching you from, that you are watching your surroundings and you are paying attention. If you are driving, before you get out of your car, when you get home, while your doors are still locked, when you turn your engine off, gather all of your things, all of your bags, and if you can, grab all of your things. Or if you have a significant other, call them, tell them to come outside, help you. But so for my single ladies or people who don't have somebody at home all the time, make sure you grab all of your things, put that together with you, get out of the car, go straight upstairs, unlock your front door, go into your front door, close the front door, and click the lock on your car. Okay, because at the end of the day, a lot of these cars have a very good range so that when you beep your car from your front door, inside of your front door with the door locked, you'll still be able to lock your car. Okay, so there's no reason for you to be compromising your safety for just to say, oh, just I wanted to make sure I lock my door first. You're gonna make sure you lock your door, but make sure you're safe first because they're waiting on that. They're waiting for that moment where you open up your car door, you reach in to grab something. Oh, you forgot something. Oh, you forgot your phone. Oh, you did this, and then they grabbing you. Okay, so we don't want to end up on the next story of Dateline. Please be very careful. All right, seriously, I love you. Please be very careful. I cannot stress this enough. There has been so many different times. I'm gonna put a video right here of a time that I was almost kidnapped and I had my daughter in the car. And it's just you never understand to what level people, and it's not even about, oh, they know you, they've seen you before. It's about the fact that sex trafficking is real and guys are thirsty. And the fact that when they get in a group with more than one of them, odds are they may not be up to no any good. And let's be real, okay? And when they all ain't had no, you already know. all that testosterone and all that thirst needs to go somewhere. And they're going to try to put it somewhere it don't need to be. So don't be the next victim, guys. And just make sure you are being very safe for yourself, for your family, for your life. Okay? For real. So, number 5, the 5th thing, guys. And I feel like it should have been the first, but this is the 5th thing. It's very important. And I really hope that you guys really you stay to watch the video and stay to get to this point, because number 5 is very serious for me that I feel like a lot of females don't pay attention to. When you, no matter what, you matter. You're amazing and you are a beautiful woman. You are a beautiful and a handsome man. You are, well, this video is for females, so I'm just trying to include everybody, y'all. Okay, I'm an all inclusive. At the end of the day, I want you to understand that self-care and self-love is real. It's not even about the hype. It's not even about the trend that it has become. It's about the fact that when you do things for yourself, you feel better. Like, I do my own hair, I do my lashes, I, trim my own my eyebrows and everything. I wash my face, I do a little face mask, I cook me something, I get a little glass of wine, I give me a margarita and some nachos. Y'all, we can relax, we can chill, but make sure you take that time for you. Because if you don't take that time for you, you won't be able to extend yourself for other people. You can't be that support system for other people if you're not supporting yourself. And that is important. Very important. So guys, at that note, I'm going to leave this video at that. Please don't forget to subscribe for all of my upcoming videos. And also, I do have a video for a new work from home job that flex job that I found. It can be work from home, but not necessarily all the time work from home. It has different option categories. Anyways, not the point. Stay tuned for my next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I am here for you. Like I always say, my favorite color is purple at the end of my videos. Don't forget to put your favorite color at the bottom, guys. I love hearing you guys' favorite colors. I've seen pink, yellow, green. Listen, mine is purple, like I said. I love you. Stay blessed. See you in the next video.